So to turn off your keyboard sound in your iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, we have to go into setting. Now we have to go into sound and haptics. Here is. So now after this we have to likely scroll down to find a keyboard feedback. There is. And now you have to go into your change to sound to haptic, and you can turn off both of them. Likely you can turn off your sound in your device, and once you have to set, likely you have to exit setting. Now this will be saved in your device. Okay, so that's how you can turn off your sound of your keyboard in your iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. So thank you.